Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's Gina in the building. In today's video I'm gonna share with you how to make authentic Ghanaian palm soup. Guys, this turned out so delicious. It's yummy and I hope you're going to give this a try. Let's get started. So you're gonna cook your palm fruit until it easily peels out from the skin, and then put it in the mortar, pound it until it's smooth, until the chaffs are smooth, and then add it to your big bowl. So we did ours in 2 batches. When done, add in warm water. It helps to mix easily, just like so. Mix it with your hands and take out the chaffs from the palm soup base. So you're going to squeeze out any excess liquid from the chaffs. The chaffs, you're not going to use it anymore. We only need the liquid here. When done, sieve it, and make sure you sieve it like 2 or 3 times. You want a smooth liquid, a smooth palm soup base. And then sometimes you see sand under under it, so make sure you sieve it like 2 or 3 times before using it. So this is what you're going to get at the end. For the protein, I'll use goat meat, cow feet. Yes, I love cow feet in my palm soup. And then smoked chicken. These are the proteins that I'm going to use. I'll then blend onion, ginger, habanero pepper, garlic. I'll blend these veggies to steam the meat. Add in water and then blend until smooth. So this is what you're looking for. Add it to the meat. Add it to the meat. And when I'm cooking palm nut soup, I normally add in prekese, which is also good for your health. Prekese, and then meat spices and salt. I'll mix these ingredients together, close it and let it cook for some minutes. And make sure you add in water as well. It helps to cook the meat. So this palm nut soup, it takes long to cook, so you do not want to overcook the meat before adding in your palm soup base. Let it steam until it has absorbed the onion flavor, the meat spices and everything. Like when you taste the meat, you feel it's tasteful. Then you can go ahead and add in your palm soup base. So this is somewhere around, I think, 10 minutes. I checked, it was still not okay. I wanted it to cook a bit more, so I let it cook a bit more, and then I added the palm nut soup base. I added in water again and then give it a stir. I'll then go ahead and add in tomato paste, which is totally optional. You can use only tomatoes for this. I added in tomato paste, fresh tomatoes, fermented salted fish, which we call in Ghana kako, and habanero pepper. I'll give it a quick stir, close it and let it cook for some minutes. So after some minutes, I checked and the tomatoes, the veggies were cooked. I'll take it out, blend it and add it to it again. So basically this is it. After, I'll leave it to cook slowly until it's ready. So when you get to this point, all the work is done. Just blend the veggies and add it back to the soup. And guys, just leave it and let it do its job. I then added in catfish and my last 2 snails left. So I brought this from Ghana. I tasted and the salt was not enough, so I added in a little bit of salt and then 1 Maggi cube. I'll give this a quick stir again, close it and let it do its job until it's ready. Guys, this turned out so delicious, so yummicious, and I hope you're going to give this a try, because this with your fufu or banku pie, guys. Sorry. Lastly, or last but not the least, I'll add in abinaro pepper. It was already hot, so I did not want to add in too much pepper. So when you feel it's not hot enough for you, you can pick one of the pepper and add it to your soup. I then added in spinach, and guys, this is ready. Just look at it. Just look at this beautiful soup. Oh, adia sando mi kombi mo minye bianca. Means spare no cry. Wow, guys. I hope you give this a try because it's so yummy. And the spinach, like, it takes it to the next level. It makes it so delicious. In Ghana, some use kuntumre, but you can't find kuntumre here. So I use spinach for this, and trust me, it's so delicious. And then my fufu was ready. My fufu was ready. So if you want to know how I made this fufu, go to my page. You find out how I made my fufu, my homemade fufu, and trust me, just tastes like Ghana fufu pepe. Wow, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Please help me by sharing this video. Let's go to far. Let's go to the top, guys. Let's grow up this channel together. Follow my page, give this video a thumbs up, share. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.